So I just was gonna do a project for you guys, and I wanted to show you guys how to make your very own vanity mirror. This is for like the girls who, you know, you guys are on a budget, but you still want something very good and effective. Hey guys, so it's your girl Yesenia here, and I'm showing you guys how I made a vanity mirror, do it yourself, very safe and on a budget. I'm gonna teach you guys, I'm gonna show you guys all the pieces and everything that I got and how we're gonna put it together. So I got this mirror at Lowe's. My mirror was $40. No, actually my mirror was 30. It's a 40-inch screen, 40-inch mirror. And then I ordered this on Amazon called Vanity Mirror Light. I'm gonna 4. Actually, I'm gonna start from this side because where I'm gonna have my mirror standing, the light is more on that side. So 1. So this mirror has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 3, 4, 5, 6. You let that. Okay guys, so now I got all the little kinks out the way. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the black tape because that's electrical, you know. I want to get a black electrical tape, and just with these wires here, like you're just gonna tape them to the back of the mirror just so that you could watch out with any fire hazards. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a test now that everything is nice and on. So let's go ahead and put it on. There we go. Boom. Okay, so for those of you guys who don't know about the black tape, this is the electrical tape. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull back the strings and tape them to the back of the mirror. About to do that right now, and I will show you guys how it goes. Let me just turn this mirror over. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I grabbed the electrical tape and I just taped each and every part of the wires. This is the front, how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead, hang it up, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. And there you guys have it, my new ghetto ass vanity mirror, DIY. Let's test it. Oh, yes. And you can change the colors. And you can dim it down. You can brighten. I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like with the camera on me. Okay, so this is me without any light at all. I'm gonna put this light on. This is me with my little mirror light. And then with my DIY lights, brings out the clarity. You can see more of the clarity. Let's change the shades. Now let's bring up the tone. Perfect. Now, hi guys, it's your girl. See how perfect it is, and then I want it to be more like a calm, subtle. I love this. I love this.
I can't have witch sympathizers in my army. The wolves are not now, nor ever will be your.
Time to make videos.
You know, you are a brave and and selfless leader Jackson.
So thank you for watching my video. Go ahead and put a like below if you like this video and you want me to make more DIYs. But this is just a pretty little cool thing just for, you know, girl on a budget. I'll go ahead and put the links below everywhere I got my equipment and things like that. And thank you for coming to my channel.